Hi, I'm Allie, and this is my husband Justin. After coming back to our hometown due to financial reasons, we were craving some adventure. In today's video, we go to Illinois to a farm right outside of St. Louis for a full day of sweet peaches and sunshine. Give this video a thumbs up and come hang out with us for the day. Good morning!
Good morning.
We're gonna have a fun day today, but I need to get this one out of bed. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up!
Okay.
Just so you guys know, he did not get up. He lied. Wow, what a beautiful morning. So we're skipping the van today and we're driving my sister's car. A, because my sister's car has air conditioning. B, if you've been following along, you know our van is having transmission issues. We thought we got them fixed back when we came home to St. Louis last, but at last they're still there. So, my sister's car.
We just arrived. We are at Eckert's farm. So we're gonna go pick some fresh peaches. But first, we've gotta pee. Because it's been like an hour in the car, so.
Just went to the bathroom, feeling a million times better. Did we mention we're going peach picking?
Peaches and, oh, blackberries. So
Ooh.
you're less thrilled about that, but I like it.
I like blackberries, they're just hard for me to chew. We have made it to the peach farm. Time to get picking. You want to pick the first peach?
Oh, I do. See, this one looks awfully plump and juicy, I'm thinking. Alright, how do you pick a peach?
I think it's...
Oh, you just twist it. Never tasted a fresh peach before. It's pretty good. You want a bite?
Yeah. You can eat the skin?
Yeah.
Okay.
You look grossed out right now. You don't have to eat the skin, I guess. Do you want me to carve out a bite for you with no skin?
Would you?
Some people might call this gross. I call it true love.
Thank you. Much better.
I didn't mind it.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your bones are the earth.
What is that? 8? Is that enough?
They're so big, so I think they're good. Let's go blackberry picking. Woo!
So one of the cool things about being here at Eckert's, they actually have some kind of activity you can do every single month of the year. So like you can cut Christmas trees around December, they pick your pumpkins in the fall, they do fresh made pumpkin pies, you can pick peaches, you can pick apples, you can pick berries, you can pick veggies. Like, it's this huge farm and they have something for the whole family. It's family fun. Every month of the year, man. Pretty sure my toes are actually getting sunburned right now. So this is actually our first time picking berries. We've apple picked, we've pumpkin picked, and now we've peach picked. But we've never picked berries, so we had some kind folks giving us advice, telling us where to go, what colors to look for.
Look at the cute little basket you get.
The downside is there is not as much shade over here, so it's a little bit hotter. But that's okay. All right, let's pick some blackberries, dude.
Early in the morning, before the sun appears,
Oh my goodness.
before the world has even stirred.
I think I like picking the berries the most because it's kind of fun. Like, you can pick a lot of it, but you're not adding a lot of weight. Like with apples and peaches, it's fun to pick them, but then you're like, crap, we've got like $50 worth of apples here. But here, we've picked like 20 blackberries and we're probably not even at a pound yet. So we've been on a hunt recently, like the past week, where we've always liked the taste of really sweet wines, like pink ones, Moscato, stuff like that. But we're on a hunt to see if we can find a sweet flavored red wine.
It'll make us fancier.
Yeah, so if we're not whinies, we've tried a few and they're very not sweet. So if there is such thing as a sweet red wine, comment below, let us know, because we would be interested. Preferably under $20 a bottle. We're gonna pick one more each and eat them, so.
We have a ton.
All right, pick your berry, baby.
All right. Cheers, baby.
Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go.
We keep saying that we're done picking blackberries, and now we have the whole bottom covered in blackberries, so I think it's time we go. Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys have a great rest of your day.
You too.
It was only 13 bucks for the few peaches and all the blackberries we got, so. Worth it.
Now on to one of my favorite parts, the store inside.
One of our favorite things about coming here, the black bean salsa. It's the best. None of the stuff you can get in the stores is good. And the corn's not bad either.
And they have all different kinds of salsas. They have corn salsa, peach salsa, strawberry salsa. I mean, you name it and they probably have it. We just came across all the wines, so we're gonna see if we can find a sweet red one for tonight.
Look, velvet red, sweet red wine.
Let's get out of here before we break our wallet.
This place is dangerous. Let's roll.
What a successful day. Not only did we get peaches and tons of delicious blackberries, but we got sweet red wines, good salsa, and homemade tortilla chips, which I confirmed are gluten-free. We're back and I think the heat has just worn us out, so we're gonna take a little bit of a cat nap and catch you guys up when we're less sleepy. We're feeling better after our nap. We didn't properly nap, we kind of just watched YouTube. But we are getting into dinner time, so we're gonna go to the store and buy some ingredients for dinner.
I'm a renegade and I'm feeling fine. And every state's high up mount. I'm the real thing.
A lemon,
Beyond tonight.
and oats.
Wanna swing under all these lights, so I feel the pressure. Touching me. Can I like it by me?
Aside from the fact that they had no lamb, we were very successful. We just got back from the grocery store, but before I make dinner, we're gonna test out our water tank because we have yet to do that.
Hopefully for the last time, the moment of truth.
What other option do we have?
Buy a new water tank. Well, I feel defeated. This sucks. I really don't know what we're gonna do about that leak. Whatever though, let's cook dinner and have a good night.
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn for the night. Why you're so salty? I'll still take a bite.
Okay, we can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn for the night. Why you're so salty?
if I may say so myself. What is next?
Beach cobbler.
Beach cobbler, y'all ready?
So I'm sitting in here trying to help Allie figure out, it just feels like something's missing. And I figured it out. We need a little bit of cooking wine. All right.
Give it a taste. It's better.
I don't know if I like the flavor. Like, I like the sweetness, but I feel like I don't really like the flavor of it.
I feel like I already feel buzz.
Okay.
I'm not even kidding. I gotta feel like woo. We're avid drinkers, if you cannot tell. Let's eat some. I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait. Wow,
Nice.
did you just catch that?
That was
Because
impressive.
I just did. That was good.
That was impressive.
No pun intended. Now we're gonna eat our delicious dessert. I'm so excited, and I'll let you know how it was.
Well, the crumble was delicious. The crumble? Cobbler?
Cobbler.
The cobbler was delicious. We're gonna go shower and get ready for bed. So, we'll catch you in a second. Well, it is bedtime for us.
If you liked this video, definitely give it a giant thumbs up.
Smash subscribe because we do post new videos every single Sunday.
Alright, we gotta get some snoozes, so good night!